Hi, welcome to Joe Thing vlog once again. So right now I'm going to be making some Guinness punch. Here are my ingredients. Guinness, to be using some oats, which is high in fiber, has a lot of other vitamins as well. And I'm going to be using some papaya in my Guinness punch. Papaya contains a lot of vitamin C, and I'm sure it also has other vitamins as well. And I'm going to be using some supplegen, some condensed milk, vanilla, and some nutmeg. We Jamaicans and the Caribbean on a whole, we love our Guinness punch. I don't know, probably I do mine's a little bit different from everybody else. So real Jamaicans, you know, don't know how the sweats and everything go. So you know, so when you open the tin, you just catch some water upon it and stir out the rest of the milk in the can, so you know so nothing now way. So it's thick already, but I'm gonna add some more liquid. I'm gonna add some more liquid to it. Add the remainder of the ingredients. Alright. Come show in show come show